Hello, La Suerte Dance School, Michal and Anna, Son class number 3. When we are teaching Son, one of the first elements that we will always want our students to learn as quickly as possible is basically how to walk and get used to walking. In Son, the concept of walking is a lot stronger than in salsa. Some people like to dance salsa in very sonish way and with a lot of steps forward. And today's routine will be quite simple because we'll walk, but at the same time, if you dance salsa and you are used to stepping back a lot, it might be a bit tricky for you. So let's do it. First, we are going to show you whole routine. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, and we go 2, 3, hop, 6, 7, 8. 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 2, 3, hop, and 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what's going on there? Anna will be walking a lot. I will be walking a lot as well, a bit less. We'll start with parts like caminala, 2 different variations, and we are basically walking around each other. Caminala concept is that one of us is walking, one of us is waiting on the spot-ish. Okay, let's explain the first one in close position. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. We go 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. I repositioned Anna, and now she will start crossing back with her right. I go cross with my left. 6, 7, 8. For this part, I will do second half of the le queno. 2, 3, 4. So she walked. Now again, she stays, I walk, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. So the idea is, she's walking, I'm walking, she's walking, I'm walking. Obviously, when the other one is not walking, we are making steps on the spot, or small cross back to compensate for each other position. Okay, we'll do one more time the same thing fluently. And I start crossing on 6, so my first 2, 3, 4 is prep for the step. So I have 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, we go. 6, 7, 8, prep, 2, 3, go, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, go, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, stop. Second part, caminala in open position. We've done something similar in one of the intermediate salsa classes, so you might have seen it in salsa variation. Now we'll adapt it to son. 2, 3, 4, forward, 6, 7, rotate. I pull her in front of me. Again, second part of the le queno. 2, 3, 4, forward again. 6, 7, 8, and in front, 2, 3, 4. So idea is that we walk forward, but I rotate quicker than she is. So it's 6, 7, 8. And also when I do it, arm open, so she rotates now to walk in front of me. Ting, ting, boom. I'll do it again. 6, 7, rotate. She's prepped to walk in front. 2, 3, 4. From girl perspective, every single step is forward. So she starts with the right, forward, right, left, right, and go left, right, left, and right, left, right, and left, right, left. For me, there are quite many steps that are stationary, like in the le queno. And the last section, we are going to trigger something like vacílala por la mano, but I will continuously lead a lasso around my head. And at this point, for whole 8 beats, I will freeze in nice position, and Anna will walk around me. I have to control the rhythm in my head to get back together with the le queno. So after we open, we directly move forward from the girl perspective. Vacílala por la mano. 2, 3, 4, forward, 6, 7, turn. 2, 3, 4. I already led it slightly behind me. This is quite important. Normally with vacílala por la mano, you would finish with the le queno, or you'll finish in front of you. You would finish with the partner in front of you, but here I led a bit more behind me. And now, staying in the same position, I lean slightly to the right, right heel up, and I lead her around me. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, hop, and the le queno, hop, and 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll do this part again fluently. 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. and 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, one more time, we'll put all these elements together. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, prep. 2, 3, cross, and 6, 7, she goes. 2, 3, hop, I go. 6, 7, she goes. 2, 3, go forward. 6, 7, 8, in front. Forward, 6, 7, 8. Now, basilala por la mano. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, behind, lasso. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. So for me, the checkpoint for the last dilekeno is 2, 3, 4. I join with my weight, and then dilekeno on 6. I hope that's clear. We'll do it one more time for reverse camera view. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, we go. 6, 7, hop. 2, 3, hop. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, hop. 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, hop, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, hop, and 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, hop, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, hop, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, hop, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. From guy perspective, especially this lasso part requires a bit of practice, and that's so you feel how far to lead, how strong to pull, and obviously from girl point of view, it's quite important to finish in the right place with dilekeno as well. Let's do it with music. Pa, 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 pa. And we go. 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Soy de allí del campo,
6,
tierra
6,
mía, donde el arroyo te brinda agua fría, donde tú ves un bello amanecer y las flores del valle huelen a miel. Soy de allí, te digo, donde el sinsonte le canta cada día al viejo monte y la paloma hace su nido en el sombrero del guajiro. Yo soy de allí donde hay caña y café y una guardarraya que me quema los pies. Yo soy de allí, señores, y allí moriré en mi viejo bohío que está a la entrada del batey.
6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. Okay, maybe we'll rotate this direction.
Soy de allí,
Ready?
donde las
2, 3,
palmas
hop, 6.
al aire sienten cantar, por eso bailan.
6, 6, hop.
Y un rayo de sol en la mañana suele colarse por mi ventana. Yo soy de allí donde hay caña y café.
It looks like something very, very simple, but there is a lot of practice required to get used to all these direction steps, leading, frame, definitely. You have to develop frame for all these parts, like literally for every single one. In a closed position, strong frame. When we do caminala in open position, also these pushes are important. And then obviously for the lasso, literally imagine that you are using lasso. It wouldn't move if you didn't put a bit of energy in your arm, and exactly the same has to happen here. If you would like to see more Son videos, and in general, more videos on our channel, like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. We'll come back with another Son video. We'll concentrate at the beginning on elements that are relatively characteristical for Son. Yeah? So like these walking parts are very, very important. Next time, we'll show you a bit of frame actions and rotations, and I can't tell anything else. You have to come back and watch it. So see you later. Bye-bye.